I'm here with my Dash Mini Griddle and my Dash Egg Bite Maker. And today for breakfast, I am going to be making an egg and bacon. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So the first thing we're going to do is plug in the Egg Bite Maker because the bacon is going to take longer to cook and it can rest a while the egg cooks. So I cut the bacon into 3 pieces, which fit very nicely in this Dash Egg Bite Maker. I'm using the Applegate Farms no sugar added uncured bacon. And I'm gonna let that cook, and I'll be back in about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Let's open this up and see what's going on in here. So the bacon is cooking nicely. Let's turn it over. Still has a ways to go. I like my bacon crunchy. Like, I like it pretty well done. And the egg cooks pretty quickly, so I'm still gonna wait on the egg. I think I'm gonna make a mini omelet, so I've already beaten the egg. So I'm gonna put the beaten egg in and then maybe add some pumpkin to it, make like a mini pumpkin omelet. It's been a few more minutes now. Let's open this up again and see what's going on with the bacon. Yeah, it still has a ways to go. So let's shut that and I'll be back in another 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, I just made some filling for a pumpkin spice omelet. Basically, this is some of the roasted pumpkin. I mixed in some honey and some ginger and some cinnamon. If you like to use maple syrup instead of honey, you can use that. So this is gonna go in my mini omelet. Okay, it's been another 3 minutes. Let's check on the bacon. Yeah, that's looking nicer. It's getting there. Starting to brown a bit. I'll do another 3 minutes on this side. Okay, it's been another few minutes. And the bacon is looking really good. For me, it's almost done. So I'm going to turn it over and start making my omelet in the mini griddle. I just plugged it in and now I'm going to wait for the blue light to go off. Okay, the light just went off. Let's open this up. Always be careful, it's very hot. I'm going to add the beaten egg. I'm going to close that and I'm going to cook it for about a minute or 2, just until it's barely set. Then I'm going to add my filling. And this is what's going on with the bacon. It's cooking nicely. I would say this is just about done. I just turned it over and now I'm going to actually unplug it. I've found that you can actually unplug it and it'll continue to cook for a little while on the residual heat that's already, in the appliance. Let's check on the egg. The egg's doing well. The edges are cooked. Let's get the center cooked a little bit more. And I actually found a slice of cheddar cheese in my refrigerator. So I'm just going to use half of a slice of cheddar cheese. I'll put this on first and then I'll put the pumpkin on. Wow, look how quickly that cooked. That looks so good. Just going to put the cheese on here. I'm going to spread the pumpkin out. So if I close this now, because it puffed up so much, it's going to be a big mess. So I'm not going to close it. The cheese has just melted from the heat of the egg itself. And what I wanted to do was just fold this over. But I think I'm going to have to take it off of here to do that, because otherwise it's going to be a big mess. So here's the mini omelet. The question is, can I fold it over It's really thick. What I might have to do is just kind of cut it and put the other half on top. Yeah, it's still really thick. Let's see if we could do that way. Cut it and turn it over. There we go. It's almost like an omelet sandwich. And there's my bacon, and that's a really nice little breakfast. On a regular day, I might actually double this. So I would do the whole thing again and make another mini omelet with another slice of bacon. But for today, this is fine. Let's taste the omelet. Let's see. Can we cut it with the fork? Yeah, cut pretty well. So here's a bite. That is so good. That's a pumpkin spice omelet with a little bit of cheddar cheese in it. That is really, really good. Now, I did not add any salt and pepper because the bacon is salty, but obviously you can add salt and pepper if you like. The bacon is nicely cooked, but for me, I probably could have cooked it just a little bit longer. Right now, it's not as crispy as I would like it to be. It's like right between crispy and chewy. Some people like chewy bacon. Some people like crispy bacon. I tend to prefer crispy bacon. And right now, this is like right in between crispy and chewy. But it could be that it just needs to sit a little longer, because sometimes I find that if you let bacon sit a while, then it becomes crispier. So that could be the issue too, that I'm just tasting it too quickly. So this is how easy it is to cook bacon and eggs in a Dash Mini Griddle and a Dash Egg Bite Maker. If you use them both at once, you save yourself a lot of time from using them individually. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel to find out what else you can cook in a Dash Mini Griddle and a Dash Egg Bite Maker. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.